Hi children, welcome back to our channel Bhavya's Kids Tutorial. Please subscribe to our channel. Children, today we will learn about phonics. We already know the phonics, that's to in vowels. So there are 5 vowels are there: A, E, I, O and U. Okay. So in the previous videos I already make the videos about the phonic sounds. So this is the repetition class. In this video we learn about worksheet. So worksheet, in that phonics we have to identify the vowels in the given words. Okay, this is helpful for the children for repetition of the phonic sounds. Okay, let's start. Repeat after me children. Underline the vowels in the following words. So here is the some words are there, so we have to underline the vowel. Okay, nest. So how we spelled this? Nest, N-E-S-T, nest. So which one is the vowel in this word children? Yes, E is the vowel. So we have to underline the E letter, vowel. Okay, E is the vowel here. So next is the word is the star. S-T-A-R. S-T-A-R, star. So here which one is the vowel letter? So yes, A. A is a vowel. Okay. Next, bird. B-I-R-D, bird. So here which letter is vowel? Yes, you are right. I. I is the vowel. Okay. Next, goat. G-O-A-T, goat. So here the vowel letter is O. O is a vowel. Next, cake. Cake. C-A-K-E, cake. Here the vowel letter is, here is the two vowels are there. One is the A and another one is the E. So cake. A and E also vowels. Okay. Next is the girl. G-I-R-L, girl. So here we have to, what we have to do? We underline the vowels in the following words. Okay. So here I is the vowel. I is the vowel. So coat. Next letter is, next word is coat. C-O-A-T, coat. So here vowels. Yes, here two vowels are there. One is the O and another one is the A. So O and A are the two vowels present in this word coat. Okay. Next is the well. W-E-L-L, well. So here which one is the vowel? We have to underline that word, that letter here, that is E. E is the vowel. Okay. Next is the doll. D-O-L-L, doll. Here which one is the vowel? Yes, O is a vowel. We underline the vowel O. So kite, it is a word. K-I-T-E. How we pronounce kite? Kite. K-I-T-E, kite. So here which letter is vowel? Yes, I is the vowel and one more vowel is there, that is E. E, it is also a vowel. Okay. Next, hand. H-A-N-D, hand. So here which one is the vowel? So we underline the vowel letter, that is vowels, that is A. H-A-N-D, hand. A is the vowel. Okay. Next, door. D-O-O-R, door. So D-O-O-R, door. So we underline the vowels in the following words. Okay. Yes, here is the two vowels are there. That is the same vowel. O, O. So O is the vowel in the word door. Okay. Next is the duck. D-U-C-K, duck. So here which one is the vowel? Which letter? Yes, U. U is the vowel in the word duck. Okay. Next, ball. B-A-L-L, ball. B-A-L-L, ball. So which one is the vowel here? Vowel letter, that is A. Yes, A is the vowel. So A, E, I, O and U are the 5 vowels. So other are all consonants. Okay, just we have to repetition of these vowel letters in the words. Okay, next letter is the drum. D-R-U-M, drum. Okay, so D-R-U-M, drum. Here which one is the vowel letter? The vowel is U. Yes, U. So we underline the U letter. So next is the bell. B-E-L-L, bell. So which one is the vowel here? Yes, E is the vowel. So we underline the E word. Sorry, E letter. Okay, next is the book. B-O-O-K, book. So we underline the vowel letters here. So here is the O is the vowels. Okay, next is the cart. C-A-R-T, cart. C-A-R-T, cart. So which one is the vowel in this word? That is A. A is the vowel. Okay. Next, bath. B-A-T-H, bath. So here vowel is A. So in this word vowel is A. So we underline the A word. Sorry, A letter. Okay. Next, tray. T-R-A-Y, tray. So here T-R-A-Y, tray. So here which one is the vowel letter? A is a vowel in this word. A is a vowel. Okay. Next, ship. S-H-I-P, ship. So how we spell this? S-H-I-P, ship. So here which one is the vowel? So here is the only one vowel is there. That is which one? I. So we underline the I. It is a vowel. Okay. Next is the port. P-O-R-T, port. So here vowel is which one? Yes, O. We underline the O. O is the vowel here. So lake. L-A-K-E, lake. So here which one is the vowel? So in this word A and E, two vowels are there. A and E are the vowels. Okay. Next, the last one is the lock. L-O-C-K, lock. L-O-C-K, lock. Here, so we underline the vowel. So which one is the vowel? Yes, that is O. O is a vowel. Okay. So like this, for using these worksheets, so we have to practice for the children for repetition. So this is very helpful for the children. So dear parents, please buy this type of one worksheet book, activity based learning. It is very much fun and it helpful for the children to they learn the phonics very easily. Okay. So thanks for watching children. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel Bhavya's Kids Tutorial. Bye bye.